Welcome back. Well, let's quickly take a look at Bharat Forge again, because there is some management commentary coming in there where they expect growth momentum to continue in quarter 4 as well. The EBITDA figure has a forex gain of 41.5 crore rupees versus 4.5 crore rupees in the year gone by. Additionally, Sonia was talking to us about the debt number, which continues to be a worry as well. So according to the presentation in the consolidated highlights, the long-term debt has increased to 2,489 crore rupees, which compares with 2,315 crore rupees. Debt to equity, that ratio has risen to more than 1. It's 1.02 times versus 0.85 times. The international business as well, if we look at some of the numbers that the company has given in annexures, so there as well, their EBITDA X of US aluminum, X of US business has actually seen a loss which has become bigger. So that particular thing is something that should be on your radar as well. However, the management does say that they expect growth momentum to continue across both the international and the domestic markets as well. And the overseas operations posted an EBITDA loss of 62 crore rupees. However, they continue their journey towards profitability. So those are some comments coming in. The debt has gone higher and the international business continues to see losses. Those were two things that Sonia mentioned to us as well, and that continues to be a worry. So stock is lower at the low point of the day as we speak. With that, let's move on and continue to take forward our result analysis as well, and start with Insecticides India. The agrochemicals player delivered a good operational performance in the third quarter, with margin growing by 60 basis points on a year-on-year basis. The management had told us earlier that they hope to achieve 25% growth on the back of capex, and also expects exports to contribute more to its revenues. What was the analysis this quarter? Let's get in the management, and we have Rajesh Aggarwal, the managing director of the company, joining us now. Mr. Aggarwal, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us. Can you tell us in quarter 3, what was the contribution that came in from exports? Because you expected good contribution this year. Export revenue was expected at 150 crore rupees in FY23. Aren't you on target to achieve that?
The company performance is going good actually. We at Chopanki, we have completed the expansion, and it has started showing the result, and we are recently going to launch a few new products out of our technical plants. There will be 2 new AIs which will be launched from the Rajasthan plant, and we'll be launching at least 3 products during this quarter. But this is not a major quarter for sales. So the numbers will be visible, and you will find the growth in Q4 also for the company. And it will be a double-digit growth, I can say, both on the top line as well as the bottom line. But the real growth will be visible in the next year only. So in the Gujarat also we'll be completing this project by the end of this year, which means by March we should be able to complete our expansion in Gujarat also. And from Q1 itself, the full result will be visible.
Mr. Aggarwal, when you say Q4 revenues will be in double digit, are we looking at a 10 to 15% type of growth, 15 to 20%, or even more? And what could you end the year with, FY23, in terms of a top line?
Like there should be around 15% plus minus growth in this quarter, which will end up with about 20% plus type of growth in totality for the company.
Okay, 20% growth in FY23. So you had guided for 25% earlier. So it will be plus minus that. What about exports? I had asked you that question earlier because you did say that this is one segment will start contributing more. 150 crore rupees this year, is that possible?
It looks little difficult actually, because this year we have find a lot of exchange pressure, because the insurance company has re-rated many countries, and the countries are finding it very difficult to give us the dollars. Many of the customers along the in Africa, in Middle East, also in Latam are facing this problem of currency. So we are not able to execute the order despite of having the orders in hand. So little slow.
So this year, what will the export number? Yes, what will the export number be?
It can be in the range of 110 to 115 crores.
110 to 150. Okay.
You are very optimistic about things improving in Q1 of FY24. You've got 3 new products which you're launching in the current quarter. What could the numbers then look like on the domestic side and even on the export side? And what would be the big triggers for you? The key things to watch?
The key things will be the launch of that both our B2B and B2C sales are going to take a rise. In the export front, though, it will start moving slowly. So I cannot declare like what the export is going to look like in Q1, but definitely it will also have the jump. So I can say all the three businesses of the company, B2B, B2C, and the export business, will grow next year. A target of 25% growth.
Okay, 25% there. I just wanted to do a follow-up on your Gujarat plant. Is it the Dahej plant that you're talking about? And it was expected to be commissioned in Q3. So you're saying that has been delayed and it will happen by the end of this year?
Yes.
Okay, so what led to the
start by March actually, and
so it was
Rajasthan. Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
please.
so it was the Dahej plant was supposed to be commissioned in Q3. Now it will get commissioned in Q4.
Yes.
Okay. So what will FY24 growth look like in that case? Because you must have penciled in some revenues or some margins coming in from this particular project as well, right?
Yeah, definitely. Basically, we are targeting a 25% growth for the next year again. So 24%, FY24 will again target 25% growth.
On exports, what is the visibility on this exchange-related issue, getting resolved? Or is it some sort of a slowdown which could keep exports subdued for you?
Yes, for this year, we were forced to be subdued. But for next year, we are trying to form various strategies, wherein we are also looking to make one branch at Dubai. So that will also help us. And definitely, we are trying to find out the ways how we can come out of this problem, actually. So the team is working and they are quite confident that next year we should be able to surpass the numbers, actually, of exports. Whatever we could not do this year, we will be able to double our exports in the next year.
All right, Mr. Aggarwal, thank you so much for joining us and giving us all those details. So that's the word coming in from Insecticides India. The numbers were good in Q3. However, the stock is lower for two reasons. One, that the Dahej plant commissioning has been delayed to Q4, and exports, the target of 150 crore rupees, maybe the company will not be able to meet that in FY23. Slip into a short break. Up next, we'll connect with Anand Agrawal, who's the CFO at V-Mart, to discuss their Q3 numbers. So stay tuned for that.